let's solve this question. The average height of a group of people increases by 0.375 inches when a few more people join them. If the average height of the new people is 3 inches more than that of original group, then the ratio of number of people present originally to those of who joined later is. Now, because two groups are mixed, and these two groups have a number of people, different number of people, right? We have to find the ratio of the number of people in these two groups. When these two groups are mixed in different weights, so it's a concept of weighted average, right? And because ratio is asked, I can use the concept of allegation, right? To find the ratio of weights, we use allegations. So what is given? See how smartly we can solve this question. It is given that there is a group whose average height is, the average height of this group increases by 0.375 inches when a few more people join them, and this new group has average height as 3 inches more than the original group. So I'm assuming the average height of people in original group is A, right? And it is mixed with a new group of people in which average height of people is 3 inches more than this average, right? So these two lots are mixed. To get the final average as I know the average height of group increases by 0.375, right? So it becomes A plus 0.375. Now A is immaterial here, right? To find the ratio of these two weights, that is W1 is to W2, or weights would be number of people in this group, original group. This is the original and this is the new group. So this ratio would be the inverse ratio of this gap, or these two gaps, right? So this gap would be 0.375, right? And this gap would be 2.625, right? It is 2.625, and it is 0.325. So the ratio of number of people in original group to number of people in new group would be 2.625 upon 0.375, right? So this ratio would be 2.625 upon 0.375. We can cancel out these two with 25. So 105 and 15 becomes 7:1, right? So in fact, to solve this type of question where ratio is asked and it's a concept of weighted average, we can always think about the allegations, right? ये सब समझाने के लिए इतना उतारा है, इतना तो आपको लिखना भी नहीं कॉपी पे, सिर्फ मेंटली आपको दो रेशियोज पता थे, इनका आप डिफरेंस निकाल लो. एक आ जाएगा 0.375, एक आ जाएगा 2.625. सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनका रेशियो लेना था, आंसर टिक करना आपको ऑप्शन ए, राइट? सो करेक्ट आंसर वुड बी ऑप्शन ए.